In this video, you will learn how to fix Messenger video call sound problem. Many people face issues where they cannot hear the other person clearly or there is no sound at all. This can be frustrating, especially when you want to connect with friends or family. I will cover simple steps to help you solve these problems quickly. To get started, open up the Messenger app. Once you have it open, tap on the 3 horizontal lines located at the top left corner of the screen. Now, find and tap on the gear icon. This will take you to the settings page. Next, scroll down until you see an option called Notifications and Sounds. Go ahead and tap on it. Here, check if Do Not Disturb is enabled. If it is, simply toggle off this switch. Now that notifications are sorted out, let's move on to another potential culprit, your network connection. Swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to access the control center. If you're currently connected via Wi-Fi, try switching over to cellular data or vice versa. Sometimes connectivity issues can affect call quality and sound. Check if this change resolves your sound problem during video calls. If changing networks didn't do the trick, it's time to ensure that your Messenger app is up to date. Head over to either the Apple App Store or Google Play Store depending on your device. In the search bar, type Messenger and hit search. Look for any available updates for your app. If there's an update waiting for you, go ahead and download it now. Updating apps can often fix bugs or glitches that might be causing sound issues during video calls. If you are still experiencing problems, let's take a deeper dive into fixing this by refreshing the app itself. Start by opening up your device's Settings app. For iPhone users, tap on General, then select iPhone Storage. Scroll down through your list of apps until you find Messenger. Tap on it once located. Tap Offload App. This won't delete any of your chats or data, it simply removes temporary files associated with the app which may be causing issues. After offloading, tap Reinstall App. Once reinstalled, open up Messenger again and check if audio works properly during video calls now. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.